This is part 2 of the term project for electronics. Here we have the full part 1 and 2 put together to show how part 2 works. We have light coming in to the light sensor. Normal light levels should be on, and the light is on. Cover it up, it'll turn off. Likewise, if I add in some extra light, so there's just a couple measurements I'll get to just double check that we're within our requirements. Requirements say we are supposed to have 20 milliamps going through the LED, so we can just measure voltage across the resistor to see how much is going across. So here we have it hooked up with the multimeter, measuring about 1.6 volts. And since we used a 82 ohm resistor in the circuit, we can see that 1.648 volts over 82 ohms is right about where we want it, at 20.09 milliamps. Also, we'd like to know if the input is where it should be. So we'll check that next. Through this resistor, we'll check the current going through there. Both these diodes should be off when the light is turned on, so all the current should be going through there. And here we have the resistor hooked up with a reading of 3.68 volts. Gives us about 409 microamps. One last thing we'll check is if the transistor is in fact saturated. We want that saturated so it doesn't heat up. So we got hooked up there into ground. And we're reading about 0.1647, so that is right about where we want it to be for saturated.